Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from LENOVO Tab P11 Pro to an Android device. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app code Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Then, to set them up, click on the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm, continue, and allow in first two pop-ups. Then whatever you want to in notifications one. Now you can also tap on wherever you want to in this one about new updates. And finally, tap on your device's displays. When you're ready, select Send at the bottom left corner of Lenovo and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on Lenovo, using all of those categories at the top, pick all of your files to transfer. I will go with only a few, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Got it? In Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. To scan the QR code, use scanning icon above User Guide. Close an ad. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. To input this key, hit Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers in correct order and then hit Receive button. Whatever you decided, just wait. Close an ad. And as you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!